Hello, this is your Dr. Nabil from Natural Clinic in Istanbul, Turkey. We received many questions asking about Afro hair transplant, and so today I'll be answering some of your questions. Our first question asks about the difference between Afro-textured hair and Caucasian textured hair. And we can say that the main difference between the two types is in the planning before the procedure. This is because Afro-textured hair has special characteristics that affect the procedure completely, such as the sensitivity, the size of the grafts, and the curvature. We should also mention that different sizes of punches will be used in the extraction phase of the procedure, and the graft's growth rate is a bit slower compared to other types of hair. Our second question asks if it's possible to do hair transplant for Afro-textured hair, and the answer is absolutely yes. Hair transplant is possible for people with curly hair. In fact, this type of hair transplant has been performed for years around the world. Question number 3 asks which is the best technique for Afro-textured hair transplant, and we can say that nowadays DHI is considered to be the main technique for hair transplant. However, for Afro-textured hair, FUE is more advised due to the curvature of the grafts. It is also important to know that the Afro hair grafts are placed differently in the hair transplantation, and dealing with those grafts is highly sensitive. Question number 4 asks if the hair transplant can damage the texture of Afro hair, and the answer is absolutely no. In fact, the texture of the Afro hair will be strengthened by the procedures and devices applied by the doctor. Our last question asks how successful is the operation, and we can say that as long as the procedure is done with care and by a qualified expert, we can expect extremely successful results. This was your Dr. Nabil from Natural Clinic in Istanbul. If you have any further questions, feel free to visit us on our main website or reach us on our WhatsApp numbers and get a free consultation with any of our medical consultants.